Thailand, California. See life?
Alright, come on, Troy.
Tsunami
Alright,
control.
guys, I need you.
That is a mess. Like this.
I don't need enough. I need you to Garrett. I need you to get in a single file line, please.
Pretty awesome scene.
Single file line, please.
So it's all blue and it's just got the overhang of the wave right here.
There's like three Legos.
Anything that we could find to make an overhang. And the Zodiac is crashing off of it. It's a skeleton. Oh no, bodies. Collateral damage. Okay, the kids are very high-spirited today. Tsunami Patrol. From Shared Science, Long Beach, California. Rosso Elementary?
Yes,
The Super Cyclones? Very good, thank you so much. Bye. From Santa Clarita. What?
Rosedale.
Rosedale? Is that close by here?
Not really. It's Santa Clarita.
Rosedale? Western Lava Blasters. Tell us about your project.
Well, this is the volcano. This had to be upside down because there's no way to stick it on.
Oh, so you had to adjust for the building?
It's supposed to be like a smoke.
Oh, and that's like lava coming out? Oh, I like it.
That's on fire. Rescue vehicle. Well, this is pretty cool. This is probably my favorite.
What's that?
This is probably my favorite. This has it's like a flat thing.
Can I get out the road hill and this one?
Okay. It's a water cannon. Great. Rosedale team. Sorry.
One more.
The Rosedale team. Western Lava Blasters. Okay, so tell us, continue.
This is a magic water cannon that shoots red mostly inside of it, so it can create obsidian stuff.
And so,
I can tell you guys a little bit, but I'm not supposed to do too much because it's not our.
not your turn yet?
But I can.
Oh, this is not yours?
It is. I don't think.
It's okay, just tell us.
Okay, so
Disaster Blaster.
disaster was focused on like a tsunami.
A tsunami,
So we created a Freddy hole where the
What is it?
a Freddy hole. So
Freddy hole. I like it.
it's an underground house for
panic room.
tsunamis and
Freddy hole, like a Freddy cat? Like a Freddy hole?
yeah.
I like it. And then what, so you go down and then that's where you live when the tsunami comes in?
Yeah.
Oh, but it's underground.
Yeah. So,
So how do you prevent the water?
That's the tsunami.
Oh.
Yeah. You push this down and the water comes spilling into the tsunami.
That's actually modeled after the robotics tsunami thing.
Yeah.
Looks like. You did, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's good. That's a good idea. And I like the way you use that door. Check that door out. See? They made a regular door a trap door. Pretty neat, right?
Can we see it go on?
Yeah, we want to see your
My coach told me not to turn it on.
Okay. Yeah. No, that makes sense. It totally makes sense. It looks really nice. Thank you. And what
you guys can come back if you guys can make it back.
you say Margaret's Episcopal School.
Yeah.
Cool. And from what city? San Juan Capistrano. Good job. Craft is very popular. Wow, look at this, you guys.
We have Minecraft.
I know. Yeah, it's not mine. So, you guys had volcanoes. Nice. I like that volcano. Very, very interesting.
Of course.
And what happens when you turn the battery box on? Can we see? Ooh. Is that your lava? Your hot lava?
What is that, Kaden?
The
And what's this here? What's this guy?
that's mine.
The rescue boat?
That's mine.
Yeah.
That's his.
So preparing for a volcano, getting ready to evacuate. Cool. I like the scene. Very, very cool. Very creative.
Thank you.
And your team is Rosedale School. Are there a bunch of you guys here?
Minecrafters. Yes, I think there's 6 teams here.
6 teams from Rosedale School. That's awesome. Nice to see you guys. Okay. Yeah, we have Dark Wind. Dark Wind from what group? A school? Rosedale School again. Wow. This is shared science.
I think it's like 17.
Oh, are they doing their interview now?
Yeah, just a moment if you guys want to.
Yeah. Yeah, do you mind?
My name is Randy. This is my teammate Jacob and Jack. We built a tornado and
Wow, look at
else
that.
has been destroyed. A safety building, a safety vehicle. And then it jumps down to go ahead and bungee jump. Like, yeah. So to save this person. He's to save him. He's hanging on for his dear life. Come back up.
Oh, right, because the tornado's going and he's,
Getting septic.
yeah.
And this bike rack was right here,
Oh,
but then
that's
he
pretty
stole it and put it back in. And he put it in his house. And this is like a basement, and these are above ground. And we couldn't show this underground because
it was above ground.
it was below the ground, and this was actually sticking out.
Yeah.
And then we have like the top of this airplane. And then actually, if you're in the summer, it would be the worst place to be with a tornado. Yeah, like Tornado Alley. Yes. Tornado sucks in heat and throws it out. Like all of Nebraska, South Dakota, all of Nebraska, some of South Dakota, a little bit of Colorado, Texas. Yeah, some of Texas, some of Oklahoma, and some of Canada.
They call it Tornado Alley? Huh, never heard of that, but it's cool, I do know. Glad it's not Long Beach, although we have had a tornado
This is how like
too.
a tornado is formed. It's cool and dry air, like cool air and hot air. It makes a tornado form because they're opposite. It's faster and
Interesting.
faster, and then it just gets bigger and bigger and bigger. And then it eventually turns into.
You guys have questions for the boys?
Any questions? Yeah, questions are good. Could you turn it on so I can see?
Okay, so who do we have here? The Dragons? And what school are you from? Curie? Curie?
Yeah.
How do you spell that? Curie, oh, like Madame Curie.
Yeah.
Okay. And what's your scene? What's it about?
Oh, we don't do this on. We're just looking.
Oh, okay. Oh, right. Oh, so tell me about it.
It's this is a tsunami warning center.
Oh, warning center.
We
Okay.
have like a satellite project, notifying people.
Oh, that's good.
We have a boat to help people.
I like that boat. Nice job on the boat. Good job, huh? Okay, and then what is this? What's motorized?
The motorized mechanism is
The satellite?
Satellite.
Okay.
Really tall.
Yeah.
I
It's some very elaborate structures. Yeah.
Wow.
I like the boat. It's very original.
Yes.
Yeah. Good job.
I like how this guy has a walkie-talkie
Yeah.
to communicate.
Yeah, that's just an emergency operations center.
Nice. Oh, okay. Very cool.
Good job. Thank you. About your creation? It's the Flaming Chima. And what school do we have? Curie. Curie Elementary. And tell us, oh wow, check it out.
So are you turning it on and off at the computer? Nice!
That's your volcano. And you have sound too. How do you make the sound?
It's on the computer.
Oh, it's on the computer. Oh, that's a good idea.
We already saw this one right now.
And this is your volcano, right?
Oh no, we didn't.
Oh, right. Oh, and it launches lava. That's a funny volcano.
That's what the noise was.
That's a funny volcano. What is this? Oh, I'm assuming it's a volcano. Is it a volcano? Yeah. Okay. And what are all these people doing? She's climbing the volcano with ice cream? No. Is that ice cream gonna be still ice cream when it gets to the top of the volcano?
Probably not.
She's probably not.
She's not climbing.
She's hanging on for dear life? Yeah.
Turn it on.
Golden dragons. Oh, I know this. Did you guys see this? This is the Thanksgiving eagle. It's beautiful, huh? Wildfire. So this is all the little bits of fire. That's really good representation. And the eagle doesn't know what to do. Spinning around. Is this your project? What school are you? Curie again, my goodness. Curie, and it's the Golden Dragons. Tell us about your project. Now you guys listen to what they say because people will ask you too, okay? Do you want to tell us about your project?
He's supposed to be spinning around.
He's not spinning?
I don't know. I don't know how to turn that guy on.
Oh, because he's connected there. Yeah. Probably some software. Nice. Blue Blazers. What's TPS? Temecula Prep School. Oh, nice. Oh, show us what your model does. Is this yours?
I made this. We made this volcano.
Oh, that's an original use for a brick separator.
He made this, and then he made that.
Oh, nice.
We couldn't come in.
And what's that?
This
Yes.
is not sarcastic.
Oh, I see the other way.
Caleb like me.
Okay.
It's like there used to be a land there, but it's just sinking with it.
Nice way to put the battery box. Good way to hide the battery box, huh?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
These are the Orange Creators. Temecula Prep School again. Man, you guys get around. Earthquake. So what are we looking at?
This is our earthquake diorama. When the bridge fell.
The bridge fell. Oh.
As the car wheels were still going.
Oh no.
The house, it like crumbled down at first.
Nice.
To know more about them, you can do these. This is about our model.
Yeah, I remember when that bridge went down.
People prepare by what do you call it? Putting an emergency kit together, like a flashlight, batteries, water, and food.
Good job.
And a radio. And they build houses that like bend back and forth.
Oh, they can roll.
Have earthquakes. And they normally build houses on flat land.
Normally build what?
Houses on flat land.
Flat land.
Or like on a rock land.
Nice.
But they say never, like where they have earthquakes on, don't build it on the hillside.
Yeah. Don't build on the hillside and don't build on sand, right?
Or soil.
Right. Soft soil. Okay. Temecula Prep, yellow lasers. Wow, that is a tornado. Oh my gosh.
Do you want to see if your visitors have any questions? Do you have any questions?
You should have questions. Oh, you should have questions. Boys have questions.
Everybody, yellow lasers, listen. We have a question. What's the question? And then we no, you see, we want to show you the inside of the house so that you can see it safe.
Oh, cool. Nice.
They can just hide in there. Okay.
It's got a minifig in it. It's upside down.
Hey, where's the cat?
Trees.
Where's the cat?
There's a cat in there too.
Yeah, I don't know where it is. In there. Somewhere we just can't figure out where.
Okay, we can't mess with it anymore.
Okay, thank you. That's a pretty awesome tornado.
She's putting that there.
Blazing Builders. From what school? Rosedale. Wow. And tell me what you got here. Oh. Whoa, it's catching the tree on fire, huh?
She's barbecuing because she thinks he's so wild.
What's that?
She's barbecuing because he thinks he's so wild.
Oh.
He's trapped.
He's barbecuing. He forgot. He's like unafraid of the fire.
He doesn't even know the fire's there.
And it's all over. Look, it's all over, right? Oblivious. And what's this?
The firehouse. Look at firehouse.
Firehouse.
And it's a burning tree trapped under him.
Oh no! It fell on him, and no wonder he's got that face, right?
The map.
The map. The map will probably burn up, right?
Picture.
Yeah. Lego Lightning. What school are you guys from? SCBI. Santa Clarita? And what's that? What is it?
It's like a fan, and this is the volcano.
And it's going to do what? What does the fan do?
It blows the smoke and the lava away.
Oh,
You
I'm
did that.
sorry.
I just bumped it.
Thank you, Santa Clarita. Hi guys, what do you have here? Oh, look at you.
Volcano Stopper 2000.
Volcano Stopper 2000.
Stop volcano. We should name it 10,000. Yeah, 10,000.
Nice. Oh, cool. Oh, it's a smart brick.
And it's supposed to throw rocks into a volcano, causing it to stop.
So you have a motor here.
Yeah.
And a little gear.
A pool.
Bigger gear.
Pool.
And a little gear on this side, a bigger gear. And you are... Oh, okay. It's a crown.
This guy Giovanni helped me here.
That's nice. Turn it on again. I want to see it. Another motor.
How do we turn it a different way?
Gear.
How do we turn it a different way?
And this just slides up and down.
The thing I just want to know is how you turn it a different way.
Good job. Good job. Nice work, everybody. Lego Cobra Ninjas. And you guys are with Santa Clarita?
Yeah.
Santa Clarita. Say hi.
Hi.
Lego stars. Can you tell me what I'm looking at? Earthquake. So what is this?
Good job.
Very good job.
This earthquake and things fall over.
Right.
This helicopter it up carries a crane. The crane will move the press buttons. What happens is this.
Oh. Sorry.
It's can you take a picture of that?
You got it there?
Yeah. That's a lot.
So that's kind of why I told you guys to stop turning it off and on because I was afraid that would happen.
It's like we're
Honey,
famous.
you've got a piece here to put on. Okay, you got that? Oh, I think there's not going to fall over.
So this brings it up.
Yep. Sarah! It's a helicopter that carries it. This is the bus car. Pretending this is not there. Because cars won't be able to drive me around.
Nice work. Thank you.
Picture with you guys in your